Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to move data automatically in Excel. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to move data from one Excel sheet to another Excel sheet. Okay, and also from one Excel file to another Excel file in Excel. Okay, so there are many ways by which you can easily do that, and in this video I will show you every possible way by which you can link one sheet to another sheet. Means if I update anything in here, okay, it will automatically update here in this sheet. So the first way is what you have to do. You have to just uh, here you go to another sheet where you want to add the data automatically. Click on equals to, then click on data, then now click on this. Okay, now click on OK. Now you will see this is appeared here. Okay, then if I move this to here and just here. Okay, now you will see all the data from this sheet move to this sheet automatically. Okay, now if you will see here 0. Okay, these are the 0. Okay, if I update anything here, like I want to add this Nora, you will see Nora is updated also, automatically updated here also, but I don't want these zeros. Okay, here, so what you have to do, for this 0 you have to enter again, just click on this ID, and then here you have to enter one if formula. Okay, if, then here equals to this quotation mark. Okay, two quotation marks. This means if equals to nothing, then again quotation mark, nothing, then comma. You have to just copy this data b2. Okay, control C and paste here. Okay, now bracket close. Now click on OK. Now you will see 0 will be removed. Okay, now if I update anything here, like you will see it will automatically update here and there is no 0. Okay, this is one method. Now you have learned that how to move data from this sheet to this sheet. Okay, now I will show you how to move data from one Excel file to another Excel file. Then I will show you there is a one method, table method, by which you can easily do that, and that is very easy and very convenient method. Okay, so first I will show you how to move data from one Excel file to another Excel file. Here I have opened two files. Okay, this is original file name and this is book one, and now I want to move this data from this file to this file. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to use the same method. Okay, equals to, then double click here. Okay, then click on OK, and if you drag this, you will see there is a problem. If you drag, you will see same thing is copied and pasted. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just, here you will see in the formula, here you will see dollar sign. Okay, $2 sign, you have to just remove that dollar sign. Okay, click on OK. Now you will see the data is moved. And okay, one thing you will notice that here you will see 0 problem is here also. Okay, so for that you have to just click on this ID and then apply the same formula. If, okay, equals to double quotation mark, comma, double quotation mark, comma, then you have to just this value, copy this value. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Now bracket close. Now you will see this 0 problem, and if I update here anything, okay, and click on OK, you will see automatically moved here. Now I will show you second method by which you can copy this file from this file to this file, and also from that file, okay, from one sheet to another sheet. Okay, so for that method I'm just going to delete all this. Okay, and the method is, what you have to do, you have to select whole, I'm going to select whole table, okay, which you want to move from this file to another sheet, or this sheet to another sheet, or one file to another file. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to press Control T if you are using Windows. If you are using MacBook, you have to press Command T. Okay, then you will see a table has been created. Click on OK, then go to sheet 2 where you want to move, equals to, now type table, just click on it. Okay, now here you have to just enter square bracket. Okay, enter square bracket, and now you will see all these things option. Okay, so I want to just all, you have to select all, click on OK. Now you will see whole data has been moved from one file to another file. And if I add anything, okay, here I want to add this. Okay, you will see I don't want to, sorry, if I add anything here, you will see the, it will automatically moved here from here to here. Okay, you can just same formula you can apply here also. Okay, and you can use same method from one file to another file. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.